Excluding directories in Os.Walk. I'm writing a script that descends into a directory tree, using Os.Walk, and then visits each file matching a certain file extension. However, since some of the directory trees that my tool will be used on also contain subdirectories that in turn contain a lot of useless, for the purpose of this script, stuff, I figured I'd add an option for the user to specify a list of directories to exclude from the traversal. This is easy enough with Os.Walk. After all, it's up to me to decide whether I actually want to visit the respective files, DIRs yielded by Os.Walk, or just skip them. The problem is that if I have, for example, a directory tree like this, and I want to exclude useless stuff and all its children, Os.Walk will still descend into all the, potentially thousands of, subdirectories of useless stuff, which, needless to say, slows things down a lot. In an ideal world, I could tell Os.Walk to not even bother yielding any more children of useless stuff, but to my knowledge there is no way of doing that, is there? Does anyone have an idea? Maybe there's a third-party library that provides something like that?
Modifying DIRs in place will prune the subsequent files and directories visited by Os.Walk. From Help Os.Walk. When top-down is true, the caller can modify the dir names list in place, for example, via del or slice assignment, and walk will only recurse in Tothi subdirectories whose names remain in dir names. This can be used to hop-run the search.
An alternative form of Nupu's excellent answer that reads a little more directly, given that the intent is to exclude directories, at the cost of ON2 versus ON time. Making a copy of the DIRs list with listers is required for correct execution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.